question over here. Question says that an ice cube of Aj is placed in an empty cylindrical vessel of radius 2a. Okay. Find the edge of ice cube when it just leaves the contact with the bottom, assuming that the ice melts uniformly, maintains its cubical shape. Take A is equal to 12 pi centimeter. Ice is lighter than water, definitely. So let's start solving the question. I'll make a beaker first of all. So that's the beaker inside which a ice cube is placed. I have make the ice cube like this. Okay, and basically it is filled with water. So it is something like this, and mg is acting downward and buoyant force is acting upward because of the water on the ice cube. Okay, this height is h, and the edge is 2a basically. Okay, so we can say that uh, initially cube is inside. Okay, and we can say the melt side of the cube is x. Okay, melt side we have set to be x. We can write Fb is equal to mg for the cube. This buoyant force should balance the mg. Okay, so we can write the rho of liquid multiplied by the x multiplied by we can write it as basically x into fx multiplied by x square h rather. Okay, and multiplied by g is equal to, we can say, rho I multiplied by a cube into g, that is of ice, I for ice. Okay, and we can say from here that x square cancel out, x square, and instead of writing a cube I should write x cube over here, x cube. So we are getting x only, so we can write rho L into h, rho liquid into h is equal to g, and g also cancel out, rho ice into x. That's what we are getting. Okay, now we can write a cube minus x cube minus x cube. Okay, melt ice volume is equal to what, pi into 2a whole square pi r square h. Okay, minus uh, x square h. Okay, volume displaced, that's what we have written here. That is a is 12 pi as given in the question. 12 pi square minus x cube is equal to, we can write pi. Okay, into we have 2a whole square, so that means into 4 into a is 12 pi whole square. Okay, and h minus x square h. Okay, so further we can write this as, on solving this entire thing, we can calculate the value of x as 3 centimeter. So hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.